Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the meeting and immediately switch to Scheduling Assistant. This is the action that reveals calendars side by side. Add required attendees first so they're free/busy shows. Once done, set the meeting length and tentative time block. The assistant will shade conflicts. Make sure to include any optional attendees after required ones to keep priority clear. You do this to surface the best time slots quickly and avoid back-and-forth email. Now you analyze availability. Look at suggested times or scan the grid for continuous free blocks across required attendees. If you need a room or equipment, add that resource and confirm its calendar. Conflicts often hide there. Once you identify candidate slots, drag the selection to test different start times and watch how attendees' statuses change. You do this to validate that everyone essential is free and to avoid double booking important resources. Finish by adding a clear agenda, selecting the final time in Scheduling Assistant, and choosing attendee visibility options before sending the invite. If someone shows as tentative or conflicting, propose 2 or 3 alternates or use a poll to converge quickly. If availability looks wrong, check that you have permission to view their calendar and that their calendar is set to publish free/busy. Correcting permissions usually fixes stale or missing availability. Send the invite once everything checks out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.